Looking for that hot new spot in Spokane? Look no further. Although restaurateur Ethan Stoll has a number of incredible restaurants in the Seattle area, the addition of Tavolata in downtown Spokane is making foodies on the east side of the state very happy customers.
The whole environment and the vibe of Tavolata is unlike anything else in Spokane. It's very rustic and industrial.
They have a really great happy hour.
I will absolutely be coming back.
Spokane was a long time coming.
Yeah. Scott Siff and his wife Tanya run Tavolata Spokane. After many years working for Ethan Stoll, they're excited to bring these concepts to this side of the state.
We really want to get into a community and showcase the community itself. And I think Spokane is a perfect location for that.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Pretty chill and relaxed, but very enjoyable. The way they played it is absolutely beautiful and is really delicious.
We just have a lot of fun with it. We really try to be approachable. We don't want people to walk in and feel like, oh, it's this stuffy Italian restaurant.
We're really about family and, just doing good food and having a good time with it as well.
Don't miss later in the show when Chef Scott and I make a special summer potato gnocchi.
Little potato pillows of love.
Exactly.